Hello friends, first of all welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. So friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is about very beautifully designed and very exquisite design ideas of yet simple to make hand embroidered face mask design ideas. Yes friends, all of these designs are designer style face mask designs, and not only this, you can make these face masks by sitting at your home if you are an embroidery beginner, embroidery artist or an embroidery lover. Then simply follow these patterns and color combination, you can make a mask of your own. The beauty of these masks is that the benefits of these masks are beyond your thoughts and beyond the level of your scope. That is, it is a well-defined combination of a large number of benefits for healthcare, for fashion styling and much more. That is, all of these masks are made with pure organic cotton fabric. You can also make them with linen or soft blended fabric, and these are 3-layered masks that provide a maximum level of protection against this pandemic situation. That is, the whole community has been affected badly and heavily with the pandemic situation of COVID. So to remain protected from coronavirus, it is very important for you to make a habit of wearing masks while going out, because it will not only keep you safe but the loved ones and the persons around you as well. So friends, all of these masks are reusable, they are breathable, they are also used to give more benefits of health which are not being even discovered, like they are absolutely best for the persons who are suffering through pollen allergy, through sun allergy, through dust allergy, through some minor viral infections, some breathing problems as well. So these masks are reusable, they are washable, they are lightweight, comfortable, with a very beautiful mixture and blend of soft, elastic, adjustable, flexible ear straps, and along with a very beautiful and soft, adjustable and supportable nose wire as well. They are full face coverage masks along with filter pockets to give you more safety, more cleanliness and more level of protection as well. As far as we are concerned about the embroidery patterns, then the embroidery patterns are highly inspired by designer style embroidery. You can use different types of threads for making these embroidery patterns like anchor, DMC. Even you can use wool for making these embroidery patterns. These embroidery masks are favorable for girls, boys, children, adults, kids and persons of every age group. So thank you so much for watching my video. I hope that you enjoyed my today's video collection, and hope to see you soon back on my channel with a new video in a new content. Up till then, take care of yourselves, of your loved ones, spread positivity, and kindly do make a habit of wearing masks while going out. So don't forget to like, subscribe and share my videos massively with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you soon back on my channel in my new content.